So hey everybody, it's TR back with another RV how-to video, and today I'm maintaining my AC unit. You can see already I've taken this thing apart. It's really simple, 4 screws to pull the fairing off, and then about 6 self-tapping metal screws here to take this off. And what I'm doing is I'm cleaning up all the coils here to improve the efficiency. You can see right there, man, that thing is filthy. We're going to start with this soft brass brush. You want to make sure that you don't mash any of the fins. So, alright. Look at all the dirt coming out of those. Again, gently. Now I'm just going to take a little canned air here and just blow things out. Right, that's pretty good. Well, just put everything. Now we're just going to put everything back together. Okay, we're going to do the same drill on the rear. At least to the coils we can get to. It's really hard to do the inside, so they're still too cold. So before I forget about it, when your fairings sit out in the sun for a long time, they get really brittle. So when you're taking them off, putting them back on, be super careful, because they could be really brittle. I actually had to replace these 4 years ago. One of them came off, it just broke loose from the screws and flew off, so I didn't have it on there. Anyway, let's get this finished up. Okay, so we got one down, one to go. But I think you kind of get the idea. I try to do this about once a year. What's prompted me to do this right now is it's going to be 100 degrees today. And I didn't feel like the ACs were working as efficiently as they could be. So I knew they needed to be cleaned. And as you saw from that front one, it was pretty bad. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, I'd appreciate that thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, visit my Amazon store. Links in the description below. But for now, it's time to go. Thanks for watching, I do appreciate it. Till we get together for another RV how-to video, peace.